Now I'm going to explain the first process. First technician take the hanger from here. The third process is acrylic copper tank. So, and after cleaning, then we will hand the hanger to be here. So this is a parallel copper tank. So also have 8 pieces in here. So you can see it's running. Think about put the hanger here. So take it after some times, take it out, and then please come to here. So we can see here has one tank for the polar copper recycle. Okay, here is the recycle, and then we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 tanks for cleaning by clean water. Okay, and then this one is the activity tank by the lighter sulfuric acid. For example, it's about 5% by 1 liter water. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 tanks for cleaning again. Now in the this area, we put 4 line exit tank here. Every exit tank with 8 pieces, the syringe hand. Why? Because for exit tank, we need to keep the products inside about 30 minutes. And for the acrylic tank and the parallel copper tank, it's about 8 minutes. So normally exit tank should be the 4 times based on the acrylic tank and polar copper tank. So now you can see here 1 tank, 8 pieces. Okay, and here also 8 pieces, and then 8 pieces. Totally here I have 32 syringe hand here. Okay, and why we put some tank in here? Because sometimes it's too busy and it's not the free tank there. So your technician can put the hanger here, casual hanger here. Okay, stay here and until there has some free place, then you can put there. And for this tank, it's for hanging the hanger. Okay, hang the hanger to be here. The exit copper drop down and go away, because normally for exit copper we don't do the recycle drop. Okay, and then here 4 times for washing, 4 times washing by the clean water, normal water, city water. And then this tank is for activity also, and here has 1, 2, 3, 4 times for washing also. So this is the first process.